Hello, this is RVer Frank with Kathy and Coco. With its warm blue waters and red sandstone landscape, Utah's newest state park opened in 2003 and is also one of its most popular. The sprawling 20,000-acre park, which rests mostly on BLM land, rivals Utah's two largest state parks, Wasatch Mountain and Antelope Island.
To think about it was like a movie.
It's a very unique community. The last place you'd expect.
Sand Hollow, already one of the most visited destinations in the Utah State Park System, with recreation opportunities for nearly every user from boaters to bikers and OHV riders to equestrians. Boat and fish on Sand Hollow Reservoir. Explore and ride the dunes of Sand Mountain with an off-highway vehicle. Then camp in either the full hookup westside campground or stay close to the action and ride your OHV from your site to the dunes in the new sandpit campground. A favorite destination for local off-highway vehicle enthusiasts, Sand Mountain provides 15,000 acres of perfectly sculpted dunes. The red sand is an incredible backdrop for Sand Hollow Reservoir. At nearly twice the size of nearby Quail Creek Reservoir, Sand Hollow offers boating and other water recreation in a spectacular setting.
Is that us right there?
Yeah.
And watch the doggies, because nobody... Oh, that one's tied up. Our little box up there. Doesn't look very big, does it?
Well, how big do you want it?
It's big enough for us. When I look at all these other ones, they have all these humongous ones. Well, ours is bigger than that one.
Yeah, right. Compared to that guy.
Oh my God, that's Coco size. Just Coco. Oh, there's people tenting? Camping?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Tent camping? Look at that over there, that parking.
Yeah. That's for both.
But she's in the window looking out on her little bed.
We're coming, Coco. We're coming.